Great afternoon, my dear students. Now you all are welcome in maths class. In maths class, today our topic is time. We will discuss about time and clock. This is page number 70 and 71. And today we will do activity of page number 97. Okay, so let's start. This is clock. It tells about time and it is the face of clock. It contains numbers from 1 to 12. It has two hands. One is long hand and one is short hand. Long hand tells us about minutes and short hand tells us about hours. Whenever long hand or minute hand on number 12 and hour hand on number 1. So we can say here 1 o'clock. Okay. So let's learn about how can we use these hands to see the time. Now see here example. Here long hand or minute hand on number 12 and short hand or hour hand on number 2. So we can say here the time is 2 o'clock. See the other example. Here long hand or minute hand on number 12 and short hand or hour hand on number 8. So we can say here the time is 8 o'clock. So we can say long hand tells us about minutes and short hand tells us about hours. Now we will do page number 70. Read the heading. Look at the pictures. Identify the time in each clock. Match it with the clock that shows the same time by drawing a line. Now we will match the clock with the clock that showing same time. Okay. Now see the first one. Here the short hand is on number 1 and long hand is on number 12. So we can say here 1 o'clock. We will match it with third clock because it is showing same time. Okay. See the second clock. In second clock, hour hand on number 2 and minute hand on number 12. We have to find same time. Okay. On number 4, same time is showing this clock. We will match it with it. Okay. Now at number 3, clock is telling us about time 7 o'clock. We will match it with 7 o'clock. In the next one, clock is telling us time 9 o'clock. And here 9 o'clock. We will match it with this clock. Okay. Now in the next one, clock is telling us about time 11 o'clock. Now you have to match it with same time 11 o'clock. You have to match like this. Okay. Students, you have to do page number 70 like this by matching clock with the same time. Okay. Now we will do page number 71. Students, this is page number 71. Read the heading. Look at the picture. Identify the time in each clock and write it in space provided. One has been done for you. Now space is provided here to write the time the clock is showing. Okay. So first has been done for us. So here hour hand on number 10 and minute hand on number 12. So time is 10 o'clock. Now see this clock. In this clock, hour hand and minute hand are on same number 12. So time is 12 o'clock. We will write here 12 o'clock. Now in the next clause, hour hand on number 3 and minute hand on number 12. Time is 3 o'clock. We will write here 3 o'clock. Now in the next clock, minute hand on number 12 and hour hand on number 4. Time is 4 o'clock. We will write here 4 o'clock. In the next clock, hour hand on number 8 and minute hand on number 12. The time is 8 o'clock. Now in the next one, hour hand on number 6 and minute hand on number 12. Time is 6 o'clock. Write here 6 o'clock. Now see the next clock. Here hour hand on number 5 and minute hand on number 12. Time is 5 o'clock. We will write here 5 o'clock. Now in the next clock, hour hand on number 9 and minute hand on number 12. Time is 9 o'clock. We will write here 9 o'clock. In the last one, hour hand on number 7 and minute hand on number 12. Time is 7 o'clock. We will write here 7 o'clock. Students, you have to do this page by filling the time that clock is showing. I hope you will do it very nicely. Students, now we will do activity of page number 97. Now read the heading. Write the numbers 1 to 12 in the circle as in a clock. Then draw a shorthand and a longhand showing 9 o'clock. Now you have to write the numbers from 1 to 12. Okay. We will write here 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. You will write like this and you will draw hand. A long hand and a short hand. Because time is 9 o'clock, so you will draw long hand on number 12 and short hand on number 9 like this. Okay. And you will write the time here 9 o'clock. I hope you will do it very nicely in your book. So my dear students, in today's math class we have learnt time and clock. Longhand tells us about minutes and shorthand tells us about hours. And we will use both hands to see the time. Okay students, you have to do page number 70 and 71 in your book as I told you in this class, and you will do activity of page number 97. That's about time. I hope you understood it very well and you will do both pages and activity also. I hope you will do it very nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next time.